Menteri Rangba ka Jila but National President ke NPP Conrad ke sangma hak arpasal tarik nailar. Ula ong baka jingiehnoh kam jong MP Barim ke Raja Sabha Dr Dr Kharlukhi na ka parti kadeka rai ba shimet jong but dan AA ban ong halor kani watla halade shimet udan ka jing sngosi. Habakren shakilat pthai kabor Conrad ula ong kadeka rai ka ba ula shim daladi bat ngam dan AA ban ong ngap diang yakata Conrad ula penken mauru yakajing dan benta belaslam jong Dr Kharlukhi kata na du kapor ukpa jong ulit pi sangma laslam baha ngilaya trelang bat ngilala ban le shibon ki kami ki babaha na ka benta ka jela bat ka party bat nga buram bat kin mau gitu khilmat baro kawan kapor ba udan la ka jong ka jingmat bat le se ki katu ka ni ki ba ukwa ban le kumta ngim dan kanu ka jing halor kata bat nga ong na ka liang ka party ngila ju ai buram barabore kinong ngelam jongi ula ong Conrad lapan kan mauru ba ukpa jong ujukwa ya Dr Kharlukhi benlong MP ka Raja Sabha kham hashwa dre Dr Kharlukhi ulakan tan ha kate kapor akan mau biang ba ipa jonga ikwa bha ba unlong MP ka Raja Sabha Henry hakate kapor ulakan tan yakan ka jinterwa but day nakata ka daw ba Thomas sangma ulalong MP ka Raja Sabha Nasngo ba ubriu bala troy kam baha hakasan pertei bat ubala ashibun kapor shakasan shar kadar bat ki ba bat udai ban pensngawi ki jing ha parliament kumta ila jam shakmat banjit ya kum MP ka Raja Sabha ulang Conrad ula benram Henry kumba nga ong nga tharai Dr Kharlukhi le se udan like jongki jing sngo kya bat ki jing thmu haba pen pau ka jing sngo si halor ka ni ka jing kam jong Conrad ula ong ki briu kin wan bat kin klan kata ka biang he Henry ha ka jing sngo shimet nga sngo si shibun bakani ka wanja ngam shum la poi perkhat bakani kan wanja Henry nga buram bat nga pudyang yaka Henry ngin beteng benya khmat bat ka party kan beteng yaka kam
I have nothing to say. We accept and whatever his decision is, and we have worked for a very long time together from my late father's time, and of course we've done many things, positively for the state, for the party, and I cherish all those moments and all those things. And there comes, I guess, a time when they also, or rather, he is also having his own mind and maybe some things that he wishes to do. So we have no issues with that. As I said, from the party side, we have always given our respect to our leaders, and even I remember very clearly that my late father was very keen that he should become Rajya Sabha MP, but that time he had rejected that offer. And that's why that time I think Thomas had become the Rajya Sabha MP. But then I ensured that that particular aspect also, so that a person who has been very active in politics and given a lot of his time to governance, to people, I felt that it was important that a person like that should be voicing our concerns at the parliament. And so we went ahead and we appointed, or rather we elected him as the Rajya Sabha MP. But as I said, I guess Dr. Kharlukhi has his own concerns, his own points, and his own plans, and I wish him all the very best.
The timing. Consider it as a setback, Chief Minister?
Not really, in the sense that people will come and people will go. It's okay. I mean, on a personal note, I am of course very sad that this has happened. I didn't expect this to happen, but I respect it and I accept it. But we will move on, and the party will continue to work. We have a lot of work to be done, and a lot of people have joined the party, and I think that's the nature of politics and party politics. We will see. We'll discuss with the party leaders, and then we will take a call.
The timing, has it anything to do with the violence, with the reason?
That I think he will know better. I don't think I'll be able to answer that question.